This is the VersionTECH rechargeable USB fan. It has a clip-on base, or it can stand, as you see. This is an informal review. I was not asked by the company to review this. They sent it to me just to have. It says mini battery fan, the use of manual. And it just tells you stuff in here, but it's actually a pretty nice fan. They give you the USB cord. It's USB to micro. Here's the fan itself. You can see it has a clip-on base like that, or it can stand up just like that. You can turn this either which way, and this also rotates, as you see, like that, 360 degrees. So any which way you need it, you can have it. On the back, there is a battery compartment. Battery is included. Takes an 18650 cell, 2200 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts, your micro USB port, and there is the control to turn the fan on. There is a light to show when it is charging, and also a light when the fan is on. Now again, being that this is just an informal review, I'm not going to break out my anemometer or anything like that. I'll just let you hear the wind against the microphone of the camera. The speed is infinitely adjustable. You can just raise or lower it just by turning the dial there. So we'll go back to low, right here. Not noisy at all on low. On high, makes a little bit of noise, not too bad, but certainly throws the air out. I'm standing, 3-4 feet away. Maybe you can hear the wind in the camera microphone. And it's a nice strong breeze, and this is completely on low. We'll go all the way to high. I'd imagine 6 or even 8 feet away, you would be able to feel that. It's quite powerful, really nice. I just have it clipped on the bar here so you could see how that goes. Sort of sits a lot more straight that way, but even just sitting on the stand, it's not bad at the weird angle it's at. You can even sit it, this way if you want. The other way is how it came in the box, like that, but you can certainly sit it this way and turn the fan like that. You do get a little blockage of the airflow by that, or you can just turn it around completely, and then you lose no airflow, just like that, because it's adjustable 360 degrees. One other curious thing I noted is that when it's plugged in and charging, it will run, but the speed doesn't matter. It just stays on the low speed. So I'll put that all the way up, unplug this, and it jumps up to high speed. So it'll only run on low when plugged in, but that 18650 cell should hold up for a good couple hours at least, if not even longer. Here's the spin down. Reasonable. 4 blades. There's the center badge, if it can focus on that. It's kind of hard to see in real life anyway, but all around, I kind of like it. I really do. It does everything you'd want it to do. It's got nice strong airflow. It's rechargeable, USB. What's not to love? It's really nice. Versatile mounting, just sit it there or clamp it on. Pretty cool all around. Like I said, it's an unsponsored review. I'll put a link in the video description if you want to see it on Amazon. And that's about it. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.